a nice 5-minute drive on the way home from work down the mean streets of Phoenix. Who knows what's going to happen? The last few videos have been more on the good side than the bad or the ugly. Maybe we'll get something fun this time, don't know. Got to stick with me to find out. Could be something good at the end, maybe not, I don't know. Maybe in the middle, who knows. Either way, I appreciate everybody. I just want you to go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share, hit that bell. Everything that helps me out, because I do want to get to 100,000 subscribers. Anyway, on my way home from work, I love my job, but I also love my beautiful wife, this other half of the G couple, so I do want to get home. These red lights are a little annoying, but whatever, it's all good. Is this the most exciting thing we're going to see? A homeless person with a shopping cart? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. That was a nice bike that dude was on. He's a chunk. See that? I did use my turn signal. For those of you that know me and say I never use it, I do. Good stuff. Nice and easy drive home. But we do want something kind of cool along the way, but who knows? Let's see what happens here. Who knows? Stupid lights. We actually got a green arrow relatively quick here. Oh, and it turns yellow on me. That's exciting, isn't it? Well, actually, we're going to get out here and turn. I thought I saw something up the street there, but I guess not. Just some people jaywalking. Darn it. Not that I'm wishing for something bad, but you get the idea. This has been fun. I don't want to say it's been crazy, but at least you got to join me. I'm nearing the old homestead. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off and say I hope you liked it, and let's see what episode 5 brings.